If this is what your truck looks like with a sliding camper in the bed, then I've got the solution for you. Hey everyone, I'm Mike with Timbren, and if you own a truck with a truck camper, you've got a problem. That truck camper sitting up high creates some critical issues that you need to solve before going on your next trip. Truck campers create a lot of side-to-side sway and roll, which can quickly become a highway nightmare. But side-to-side sway and roll aren't the only problems. Truck campers are notoriously heavy, which will cause any truck to sag and squat. And all of that translates to extra stress on your truck's suspension that will compromise your steering and braking. Thankfully, we have a solution. Timbren SES Severe Service Kits are a wider, single convoluted spring that specifically fix sag, squat, roll, and sway. With side-to-side sway and roll eliminated, you're no longer going to have that white-knuckle highway driving experience. You can sit back and relax knowing your truck's not going to wander all over the road. So don't leave for your next camping trip without installing a Timbren SES kit on your truck. And one last thing. Each SES kit is backed by Timbren's 100-day money-back guarantee and our no BS lifetime warranty. Timbren has your back as long as you own your truck. For more information, visit timbren.com. I'll see you next time.